Laurel and Hardy. I'm hiring you as detectives to keep the notorious riverboat pirate Willie the Weasel off my boat.
Your boat is in good hands, Captain. We're experts on riverboat pirates.
We certainly are. Ali, what's a riverboat pirate?
Quiet, Stanley. Are you trying to lose our jobs before we even get started?
I'm sorry, Ali.
A riverboat pirate is a person who sneaks on a boat and takes it over.
Takes it over what, Ali?
For a moment, I thought taking over this boat was going to be tough. Hey.
I believe that gentleman is trying to get our attention.
Over here, mate.
Are you a riverboat pirate?
Oh, me? Goodness, no.
That certainly is a relief.
Why, I'm the captain's long-lost little brother. Notice the resemblance?
Remarkable.
Now, listen, boys. I want to surprise the captain. See this trunk?
Yes.
Yes?
Well, I'm going to hide in it, and you boys deliver it to the captain's cabin. And when he opens it, will he be surprised?
Will he ever?
Golly, Ali, I get tears in my eyes just thinking how happy the captain will be to see his little brother. Could you wait a second while I dry my eyes?
Well, hurry it up, Stanley. We have other work to do.
Hey, what is going on out there?
Sorry, just a little slip, friend. Straight ahead, Stanley. That's got it. Easy now.
Will you guys hurry it up?
Faster, Stanley.
I'm walking as fast as I can.
Not so much noise. This is a surprise, you know.
Wait, Stanley, hold it. You almost walked overboard.
I'm sorry, Ali.
What's going on here? You men are supposed to be protecting my boat.
Oh, but we are, sir. We're supervising the loading. Isn't that right, Stanley?
Oh, yes, sir.
Carry on, then.
Stanley, where's the trunk?
Down there, Ali.
Here, get me out of here.
Hold on, brother. We'll have you out in a second. Lower away, Stanley.
Right there, Ali.
The first thing I'm going to do after I take over is to feed those guys to the sharks.
Okay, Stanley. Hoist away. Nice work, Stanley. That's got it.
Uh-oh. Did I ever get it?
The captain's cabin is at the top of these stairs, Stanley.
Stairs? Oh, no. Take it easy, boys.
Quick, Stanley. Open the door.
But, Ali, you know it isn't polite to go in without knocking.
Wait, Stanley. Don't.
Well, no one here.
I'm sorry, Ali.
Oops. Ouch. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Forget the surprise and get me out of here. Ow. Ooh. Ah. Ouch.
A surprise for me?
Certainly is.
Goody, goody, I can hardly wait.
I don't know if I can stand to hear this, Ali.
Oh, brother, what a surprise.
I knew it. I knew it. Oh, Ali.
There, Stanley.
You men have captured Willie the Weasel.
The riverboat pirate?
The ex-riverboat pirate. I'll give up. I quit. But first, I'm going to scuttle these two riverboat detectives. Back, you